Hi, my name is Buck Bonner and I'm with MarineMax in Bald Ridge Marina. I'm here standing on the back of a 2016 Brokerage 290 Sundeck. This is a one-owner boat. This was our boat show boat in 2016. Therefore, this boat was equipped with virtually every option you could have. I'm standing here on the swim platform. As you can see, lots of space, lots of nice seating. You have your dual chase lounger arrangement. Lots of storage built in here to the transom of the boat. You can keep your drinks and all your necessities with you at all times. Also on the swim platform, you see your SEADEK swim matting. It's soft on your feet, it doesn't get hot, dries quickly, and very durable. This boat also has the flip down swim step, which is a nice option. You can see the glow of our underwater lighting on the bottom of this boat. It's nice for in the evenings. You can sit down on the swim platform, be partially submerged, as well as have nice ambiance in the evening down in the water around as you're swimming around. As we move into the cockpit of the boat, we have a built-in cooler here in the transom walk-through, or it could double as storage. Your transom walk-through door as well, that way you can block off if you're trying to keep small pets or children inside the cockpit of the boat. There's tons more features inside. Follow me. Now we're in the cockpit of the 2016 290 Sundeck, and I want to point out some of the key features for you in here. On the starboard side of the boat, we have a built-in wet bar, and you also have a built-in Kenyan electric grill. This is a lovely feature to have out there if you're going for extended, a full day out on the water. You can grill, nice barbecue here. You can bring your hot dogs and hamburgers. Notice above us, this boat has the double Bimini option. This was not an option we typically chose on this boat, but due to the fact that it was a boat show boat, again, we checked most of the option boxes. So extended sunshade gives ample shade for everyone inside the cockpit of this boat. It does have the ability to unzip and boot, providing more sun space interior if that's what you need. So take a look at the wraparound seating. I call it stadium seating in the cockpit of this boat. You have flip backrests on the port and starboard side, offering a couple additional spaces. You do have a cockpit table that'll mount in this stainless steel bracket as well. That way everybody can sit around a central location, have your snacks for the day, or nice for a nice little wine cruise in the evenings. Everyone can sit their glasses. One key feature in the cockpit here is the Cockpit Cool Box option. You have hinged storage and access to it, but this is actual refrigeration unit. It's going to keep a lot of your perishables cool during the day, or it'll keep your ice for an extended amount of time. Moving forward to the helm, this boat has an 8.2 380 horsepower digital throttle from Mercury. You have your trim tabs so you can control the pitch and roll of the boat as you're underway, depending on how you have people located in the boat. This boat has less than 100 hours, 98.6 hours on the 8.2 engine, so virtually hardly any hours, well under average. You have your RAYMARINE A65 unit here in the center for GPS, another nice option that was selected for this particular boat, as well as on the port side you're going to have your vacuum flush head. That is the upgraded head. It's a vacuum flush that the waste goes down into a holding tank. Another very nice option on the 290 Sundeck. Moving towards the bow, you'll have your bow walk-through with a bow block-off door and your closing windshield. So that's nice for fall, early spring cruising. It keeps the wind off of everyone in the cockpit. In the bow, you have the nice bow that's very wide that the Sundeck model is known for. You have hinged storage. The blue accent LED light pipe lighting is continued throughout the entire boat. Stainless steel grab handles, flip down armrest. I mean, everything you could be looking for in your bow rider. This is a very large bow rider, so it handles the water nicely, gives you everything you need for a day out on the water. Last but not least, you've got your bow ladder. So that's a very nice feature if you're pulled up to an island in the middle of the lake, or you're jumping on and off the bow of the boat when you're out there just trying to cool off. You can still gain access to the boat from the bow. Come take a look at this boat in person. Again, Buck Bonner is my name. I'm the listing broker for this boat. I would love to show it to you in person. Call me today.